In today's video we will show you how to create super smooth ombre nails using our ombre palette gel and a sponge grabber tool. This method is perfect if you struggle with blending. It's quick, easy and beginner friendly. Here's what we're using today. Nail prep tools, base coat, ombre palette gel, nail lamp, palette or foil, sponge grabber, and top coat. Step 1. Prep. Start by prepping your nails. Shape, buff, push back your cuticles, and buff any shine from the nail plate. Then clean off any dust with a cleanser wipe to ensure a clean application. Step 2. Base coat. Apply a thin layer of base coat to all nails, then cure for 60 seconds. Step 3. Apply your base color. Usually a light shade works best for ombre. Cure for 60 seconds. Step 4. Prep your sponge. Now take your sponge grabber tool and attach a clean sponge. On a palette or foil, apply your palette colors side by side, slightly overlapping. Step 5. Create the ombre. Lightly dab the sponge into the gel colors and gently tap the sponge onto your nail. Don't drag it. Use soft bouncing motions to transfer the color and blend the gradient. Focus on building the color slowly. This gives you that smooth, airbrushed ombre effect. Once you're happy with the blend, cure your nails. For a more vibrant ombre, repeat the same steps. Layering is key to getting that perfect fade. Step 6. If there's any excess gel on the skin, clean up before curing. Step 7. Finish with a no wipe top coat to seal everything in and add shine. Cure one final time. Before we finish, let's fix some common ombre mistakes so your nails come out perfect every time. If your blend looks patchy, you're probably using too much product or not layering enough. Fix this with very thin layers and build up gradually. Light tapping equals smoother blend. Sometimes the sponge can leave marks or a grainy finish. Fix this by using a clean sponge and don't press too hard. Also, seal with a good top coat to smooth everything out. If the color is not showing up well, or looks faded or dull, fix this by repeating the layering process 2 to 3 times, and cure between each layer for more intensity. And that's how you get perfect ombre nails using our palette gel and sponge grabber. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more nail tutorials, and press the bell to receive notifications of all our uploads.